There's only one way to raise a toast. For the outdoorsy types when they're in the tropics, as you can see, I'm in Trinidad for the beginning of the new year. Cheers. Happy and healthy 2026. Oh, that's good. Good health. Brought along a little vintage treat into the bush with me today, which I know that John Sherwood at this very moment is on the edge of his seat. It's in fact a Coleman Canteen. I don't know whether you can read that, but it says patent December 1923. I'm not saying this is as old as 1923, but I think it's between the wars anyway. It's older than I am. Probably around 70 odd. I've seen a few of this shape. There's one previous to this called a Universal. There doesn't seem to be much on YouTube. Nobody's shown these really in use. So that's part of my kit, and I thought, well, being as we're going vintage, I'll bring out the Scout kit, my Scout cook kit that Bentley's Backward Bushcraft gifted to me. These a go. An old prototype that I dug out with the cobwebs, made from tin cans, alcohol stove. See how it goes. Look. Nice. Time to break out the golden oldie. So, to OK Bushcraft, Oklahoma Bushcraft, the Kentucky Woodsman, Donna at Dream Creations and Adventures, Ewan Skinner, he comes by and heckles me regularly. Thanks for your encouragement. Rich Builds, my old friend Shovelhead 8 up there in Canada, Cheesehead, Chris, Shalisa Shell, my old pal Fernbark, Mindset Shift, Greg Knight 293, always a word of encouragement, Flying Squirrel Outdoors, Martin Outdoors, again always giving me a little boost there, Bushcraft Prepper, hello to Nigel and Monty, hope you're both doing well, Doug Cooper, Ms. Old Git, Mindset shift is a difficult one. Surreal real nil mil. Carl O. A Watt. So Steve. Mark Kratz, how you doing over there in Texas? Carolina Chris, how you doing? Always a kind word from Chris. The creative outdoorsman, Tim, how you doing? I think he's in Kentucky now. 548 OFD, Flying Axe Blade, how are you doing? Been with me a long time. Wending Our Way. MT Woods Runner, Montana Woods Runner. John Sherwood, Plain Old Chuck, Quinn the Eskimo, Circumpolar Bear Cult. Cheers to you all and those that I have inevitably missed. I appreciate you all. Here's to a happy and healthy 2026. I think I'll fix up a nice cup of coffee now. My vintage gear. I'll stop talking. Oh, wow, what a mess. Burn your face off. Not everybody knows about this. Oh, it's not a jelly one. Oh, there's a little bit of jelly in there. So there's a kind of state of coconut where it's not the hard meat. Some have just got water and no meat. It's a bit like this. There's not a lot of jelly in this, but I maybe can show you. This isn't what they call a jelly nut, but it's got some jelly in it. And it's delish. It's not a proper jelly nut. This is what they call a water nut. And zero residual presence. Can't even tell where I had my little alcohol stove, apart from a bit of coconut debris, which